So now meet my cousin brother.
Hello, my super babies.
So I got so excited I zoomed in.
You captured me. Hi.
Yeah, so we are going where now, Samuel? To
We are
how?
going to Maratha Samrat. There's a new branch that opened up here. So we are very hungry. So let's get to it.
So I'm going to be sitting on the scooter after a really long time. You can take my weight now.
So we want to go there directly या जरा घूम के जाना?
First one is Varadi, the second one is Kolhapuri, and third one is from Ahmednagar. Yeah, and this one, the pomfret fry is from Malwa. So basically, we cover Kolhapur, Vidarbha, and Malwan region. So it's like entire Maharashtra under one roof. That's why we named it as Maratha Samrat.
Thank you.
Okay. Then keema masala papad is a simple masala papad topped up with hot keema on top.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, mutton keema basically. Pomfret tawa fry, you know pomfret tawa fry, just a pomfret marinated with masala and tawa fried. And yeah, it's a Malwani style. And kala mutton, we use black gravy in this basically. A lot of black masala and fried onions to make this kala mutton. Okay, this Varadi chicken. Varadi chicken is the specialty of Nagpur, Vidarbha region. Yeah, it is made up of a lot of curry, based with ginger garlic. Yeah, a lot of ginger garlic dominated curry. And chicken fry thali. This is the non-veg preparation which we do with using non-veg, non-veg gravy which we have it in-house, served with pandra tamda rasa, which is a Kolhapuri specialty. Yeah.
Before this thing gets soggy. And it became soggy. Not eaten in front of the camera.
Now what's next? This is mutton, huh? Okay, pomfret is.
I could partner tamda rasa. वो partner rasa tamda rasa. Have it like that chata I like that.
Nice, fresh, no?
Yeah. I was saying it doesn't have that fishy taste.
It's sweating.
It's like even if I have little spicy, I start sweating.
So you're very hot.
How's it going? Alright.
Right, nice.
Yeah.
This tawa pomfret, right?
Yeah. Pomfret tawa fry, Varadi chicken, kala mutton, and chicken fry thali. I'll give you one more thali. सोलकड़ी में देता हूँ मैं।
I don't have, I hardly eat mutton. Let's see, yeah, when you were praising it, I was like, okay, let me try. Wait, that fish not prepare me.
Oh my god.
That's why I'm scared if I eat, I wouldn't eat anything. Oh, mutton is so tender. It's very nice. Where is the chicken?
This is like normal chicken. What's the chicken is?
Here the chicken. Spicy.
So that's kala mutton. We'll have to eat the spiciness.
Here's the chips. Here's the chips.
You want the red curry?
It is supplied only for hard night, okay?
It is really tasty.
Not get it earlier.
Last of the
It
two.
is made of
So we just got done with the food, and how did you find the food?
very spicy but very good in taste.
Yeah, it was a little spicy for me because if it's too spicy, my nose starts ringing and singing starts running. But it didn't happen so much. So for me, I could actually tolerate it. But the best was the mutton, kala mutton.
Kala mutton. Then we had this fish.
Yeah,
Fish tawa.
pomfret. It was really fresh.
Tawa pomfret is what it was called. Very fresh. One of the best pomfret which I've ever had.
Yeah, seriously, it was very fresh and very nicely marinated, no?
Yes,
I
very
really liked
tasty.
it. And the best, but I really like the kala mutton because I am not a mutton person. But this was so tender and really melt in the mouth, and the masala was really tasty.
Yeah, we can keep on having it. In spite of that being spicy, and I was sweating like a pig while eating.
Yeah, yours is too hot to handle. That is a problem.
Yep. And tissue doesn't help, so this is what helped me.
And then we had the techa, which is really spicy. But I don't know, first time I didn't find it so spicy.
Because it was made of green chilies.
Yeah, and the soul curry, right?
Soul curry,
Oh
yes.
my god, the best I've ever had. Last time I had was like 15 years back with him only.
15 years, okay.
Maybe I think, no?
Yeah.
And in the same place, but not in this outlet.
Kothrood.
Kothrood. And that was like a kid, I didn't know what was soul curry, was I just drank it. But this time it was really, really tasty. That little bit of tinge of sweetness to it was really yummy. You can tell what is soul curry?
So soul curry is basically made out of coconut milk, kokum and some coriander leaves.
And it is yum. You like this?
It's very tasty. So it helps to ease the spiciness.
Yeah,
of it.
okay, maybe that's why I didn't find it so spicy. I kept drinking that. That was really yummy.
Yep, and here we go.
Yeah, and here's the bill. So here comes the bill, and we have ordered for 2 soul curry, 50 Indian rupees. So it comes to 100. And bakri 1, that is for 30 Indian rupees. Chapati
Just
1.
keep in mind that if you're ordering bakri, it's enough for 2 people.
Yeah, 1 is enough.
Yep.
And then chapati 25 for 1. And pomfret tawa fried 380 for 1.
One pomfret.
Yeah, it was really, really tasty. And a chicken fried thali, that is for 420. And that also was, how was it? He had it, I didn't
Yeah,
have
the
that.
thali was really tasty. It had this kala chicken and chicken sukha. The same mutton
Kalam.
yeah, the same chicken version of kala mutton.
Okay.
And along with that, it had this chicken sukha and hecha and salad as well. So it was very tasty, and you should definitely give it a shot.
Yeah, and Kala mutton was the best, and that was priced at 370. And Waradi chicken, that's priced at 340. And keema masala papad also was really tasty.
Very innovative and very tasty.
Tasty, right? And
But
that's
again, keep in mind that eat it as soon as it comes on your table because it gets really soggy.
soggy after some time, yeah. So eat it like as soon as. That was for 100 Indian rupees, and yeah, I really liked everything. The service was really fast.
Yeah, very
So
fast service.
how much do we rate this out of 10? What do you rate?
I would give it 8 because even I'm not that much into Maharashtrian food, but this was really something which I've ever had earlier.
Okay, I'll give like the best what I liked was the Kala mutton. I really like that. I know I'm harping so much about it. The Waradi chicken was just about okay. It reminded me like homemade
Homemade.
food, yeah, homemade food like how my moms make it. There's nothing exceptional. That was just about okay, but Kala mutton was really exceptional. I'll give it 10 only for Kala mutton.
Just the
Only for the Kala mutton, I'll give it 10. Otherwise, and soul curry also was really
Soul
nice.
curry.
Yeah. So a 10 for soul curry and Kala mutton. Remaining everything was about 7 and 8. But yeah, that's all. And yeah, and the grand total with the service tax is 1,871. Here we are with the owner, Mr. Sagar, and thanks a lot for explaining everything in detail as to what we are eating, and thanks so much for getting a table for us on such a busy weekend. Like, thank you. So now we are going to eat something sweet. So where are we going, Samuel?
We're going to K Factory just for the dessert.
Not Gay Factory, K
K
Factory. So we're going to the K Factory, and what's special out there?
Well, you have something called as pan ice cream.
Okay.
And there's one more dish which I don't remember.
Okay, so let's see. So we are here now and we are going to see what's going to be there to eat.
Just the dessert.
Yeah, just sweet, okay, nothing else. We're really stuffed. Okay,
Kuch meetha ho jayega.
it's really crowded here. That means it's again quite a hit place. The previous place also was really crowded with a lot of waiting, and here also there was a lot of waiting outside. Luckily we got it fast. We just got in, and as if we have a table and we got it.
Pan and gulkan ice cream.
I'm going to take the pan and gulkan. Pan infused ice cream with rainbow sprinkles and rose syrup, and gulkan is this one, priced at 90 Indian rupees. And taking the rum and coffee maize soup, that is rum soaked biscuits layered with fresh cream cheese and coffee sauce, priced at 185. I think it's going to be something similar to tiramisu. Let's see. Let's dig in, baby. Just like tiramisu.
It actually tastes like eating pan.
Exactly like pan. Exactly. This is really good. The pan is really good. This is really from side. This is deep. Not from How is it? Okay, tiramisu.
It's typical tiramisu, that's how it tastes. It is something very unique.
This got something like, some crystals,
We have coffee sauce or something like that.
but if you have to choose one, gulkan wins all the points. It's very yummy.
Pan gulkan, yeah.
Pan gulkan. Very yummy. How are the desserts?
Desserts was very yum out
Yeah.
of the place. So what all we had that coffee miso. We had coffee miso and pan gulkan ice cream, which was out of the world.
Yeah, both were really tasty. But the only fact what I didn't like is they don't take card payment, they need cash, and they don't have the change also to give back. That's a nice way of
Pleasing people.
seriously.
exactly pleasing,
Yeah, but they
but
can't do that because now at this stage you have to have card system.
But then again, there are some good days and bad days which the hotel faces, so we'll just let this.
Yeah, but I want my chiller back.
Okay, I'll arrange for that.
So now we're going back to my cousin's place where the function was. I don't know what it is now, but yeah, we're going back there. So yeah, we want to tell a bye to them.
Bye bye.
And if you want to see more in the vlogs, please comment below and let us know. He's a hardcore foodie, I'm a hardcore foodie, so we can hop together. And if you didn't know, his name is Samuel. I'll put the spelling somewhere on the screen so you can tell him a hi. He's single, by the way.